Let's go, guys. Rolling in. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's MK Films here. I'm at the Hill of Marcus at Kirkill Forest and I'm with Jacob MTB. You can go check him out down in the description. And yeah, we're just going to be shredding some trails and yeah, see you on the trails. Alright guys, so we're rolling into 𝙎𝙤𝙧𝙘𝙪𝙨. So yeah, last time I went on this trail didn't go so good, so hopefully this time it'll all be good. This looks way more or less technical. Oh, let's go, a little nice jump there. Let's go guys. Oh, what is this? I could have jumped actually. Maybe not today. Whoa, let's go. Mad jump. Oh, really overgrown on these ends, not gonna lie. Right, never been on this trail. Oh, are you alright? Alright, that was a bit of an unexpected hole. That's alright, that's alright. I think that trail was sick, like.
Yeah, but nothing's gonna beat the 𝙤𝙤𝙙𝙙𝙙.
Yeah, the 𝙤𝙤𝙙𝙙𝙙 was like the best. Alright guys, never done this trail once again. We had to re-drop because my friend's GoPro actually died, so let's drop in again. Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Little nice berm here. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Rolling in. Oh my god, what is happening here? Do you have my light on? But whoa, this is sick, bro. Oh, there's a little jump there, but that's fine. Oh my god, this is massive. What is this? Whoa. Oh, that's a close one.